Hello, I'm Hannah J. with RealEstateSINY.com, bringing you the weekly mortgage and economics report. Spring has sprung and April is in full effect. This week, in addition to our weekly reports, we've reviewed the ADP's National Employment Report for the month of March. Good news in the stock market front this week, with the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones increasing the most they have in weeks. The S&P 500 opened on March 27th at 1,852 and rose almost 40 points, closing out on April 2nd at 1,890. The Dow Jones opened on March 27th at 16,268 and rose an astounding 300 points and closed out the week at 16,573 on April 2nd. Mortgage rates rose this week, bringing the 30-year fixed rate to 4.45, the 15-year fixed rate climbed to 3.44, and the 5-year ARM rose to 3.41%. The Mortgage Bankers Association released their weekly survey report. Said report reveals that the applications decreased 1.2% on a seasonally adjusted basis and decreased 1% on an unadjusted basis. The refinance index decreased 3% on a seasonally adjusted basis, and on an unadjusted basis, the purchase index increased 1%. Gallup.com released their weekly report on the economic confidence in the United States. Having interviewed over 15,000 people, the results are less than impressive. For the month of March, the monthly confidence index dropped to negative 17 from negative 16 in both January and February. Additionally, mirroring last week's results, 39% of Americans feel as if the economy is getting better, while 56% feel as if it is getting worse. With the confidence level continuing to drop, we are forced to agree with the latter of the two. Rounding out our report, the ADP released their National Employment Report for the month of March 2014. The report details that 191,000 jobs were added to the U.S. non-farm private sector. Of these jobs, 72,000 were added to small businesses, 52,000 were added to medium-sized businesses, and 67,000 were added to large businesses. Additionally, both professional businesses and trade transportation businesses gained the majority of job openings when broken down by sector. That about sums up this week. Hopefully, with spring being underway, things will start to take a turn for the better and allow some peace of mind for the upcoming season. Once again, I'm Hannah J. with RealEstateSINY.com. Please be sure to follow us on our various social media platforms with links below in the description.